Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Vmdk files are virtual disk images used by VMware and compatible with Virtualbox. Start by locating the Vmdk file on your host. Note the path and file size to confirm integrity. You can register a Vmdk as a disk and attach it to a Virtualbox VM, but first create or choose a VM whose OS type matches the guest. Confirm the Vmdk is not in use by another running application before attaching, because concurrent access can corrupt the virtual disk. Open Virtualbox, create a new VM with matching OS type and RAM, then stop before adding disk. In the VM settings, go to Storage, click the controller, and choose Add Hard Disk. Use Storage right arrow, add hard disk right arrow, choose Existing, and select the Vmdk file from the host path. If Virtualbox prompts to clone, choose Use As Is when you want to preserve the original Vmdk. Cloning makes a new VDI copy, which changes storage requirements and may alter snapshots or linked clones. Adjust VM settings. Enable EFI for modern OSes, set chipset, and enable I/O APIC if needed to match the original environment. Confirm the Vmdk is attached to the correct controller type. Attach controllers correctly. SATA for modern disks, IDE only for very old systems because driver mismatches prevent boot. If boot fails, try changing boot order, toggling EFI, or enabling PAE/NX and nested virtualization. Also check Virtualbox log file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.